Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video, guys. So as you see, guys, here at the monthly chart, as you see it here, that 1M is indicating here to the monthly chart, and here it finished the monthly candle, guys. What it indicating to you? Look at it, very clear, guys. Try to give us here a nice pattern. Let's hope it's going to become like that one here. And next month to come here a green candle. What can we say is not good news and is not bad news. Till now we don't have a confirmation yet, because as you see, guys, here also we still down in that 50 moving average here, and that one, it used to be always reacting like a very stronger support for the Bitcoin. But as you see, when it came to it here by that candle here, then it came that green candle, then all of us we said let's hope. Then after that it came that red candle, that one it's pushing down, and that candle will finish today. It's indicating to us it's become like a resistance, because as you see there, guys, if we zoom it a little bit like that, what you see in here, guys, look at it. It came here till that place here, then that candle, it show a big rejection going down. So now it's become like a resistance, so we need the price to come and to break it again for us to be sure for it, guys. So also now we are in very bad moment, guys, here to the Bitcoin. But the only things I can tell you, and if we go back to the past, guys, as you see it, guys, how it used to react to it. It came here in 2016, as you see it, here in 2020, as you see it, and now it's breaking down, guys. But the good news, you still here in a very stronger supply and demand zone, guys, as you see it. And let's hope that zone here to still holding. Don't let Bitcoin to fall down till here, till down here, because down here is it at 10k, that the other level we got. So till now, guys, there is nothing confirmed. Also we're still in a downtrend, guys, and that monthly candle or the end of that Q3, because that candle will finish today. That candle here, guys, will finish today. That one is it the candle of the Q3 that man also being in a downtrend again. So that's the only things I can say, guys, because the 3 months, those ones at the Q3, guys, the first month it tried to go back, but the last 2 months they pushing down. So the Bitcoin is still going down, guys. That one here, the green one, it used to be just a correction. So now we need to wait in the next month what it's going to do, guys, if we are going to go back inside that 50 level here or no. So I think everything is too clear. So for investors, it's not yet, guys. It need to give us here a hangman like here. You saw it here, how it happened here. Look at it. You see that green candle. It came that doji inside or that pin bar. The names doesn't matter, guys. Then it came that red one here. We need it here. Even here, look at it. Here, where it started falling. Here in that zone. It's the same pattern now. Here. The only things we need a green candle that month here, which is going to come and to break for us up that 50 moving average. And also we're going to be sure Bitcoin is will going up, guys. Till now there is nothing confirmed, guys. Also we're still in a downtrend. I think everything is too clear. By the way, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber, my friend? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also every day, guys, we put in 2 videos every day, 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. So like that, you're going to be very well informed about the market or crypto market, what it's doing, guys. So make sure to join us and turn the bell notification. So like that, when we put in something new, you're going to be notified, or you can even join our Telegram channel. The link of our Telegram channel is in the first comment. So like that, you're going to be notified more quicker, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go and let me show you more in the daily, guys. What is it there? And here we are, guys, in the daily. And here in daily, as you see, that candle here, it's finished red. But as I tell you before, the people, they said they are not going to sell, or big whales, they said they are not going to sell the Bitcoin. Anyone want to sell, let him to sell his Bitcoin. And who's going to tell you that? Let me show you something very important, guys. Very important. As you see, guys, here, that one with blue, that one here is the Nasdaq, and that one with yellow is the Bitcoin. And as you see, guys, here, make very close eye with me what I'm telling you here. Look at the Bitcoin and the Nasdaq. They used to be correlated to each other, guys. Yes or no? As you see them, every move they do it the same. Even here that fall down, every move they do it the same, guys. Yes or no? What happened here? In that zone here, what happened? That's what me I told you, that the hop us we have, guys. What happened here? Look at the Bitcoin, what it doing. It started going up, but the Nasdaq, it's still falling down, guys. Yes or no? What that indicating to you, guys? It's indicating to you the big whales, they don't like what central banks doing and that manipulation of them to the money and what they doing to the economy. You don't like it, and that the goal of the Bitcoin or cryptocurrency in general. We don't want that central banks to decide our future, guys. That's why all of us we're going to put our money in crypto. So if you got cryptos, guys, don't sell it. Don't let those ones they want it to fall down to push it more lower. That's only my advice I can give you. And here, that's what it's telling us, guys. Look at that. It's finished the correlation with the Nasdaq, guys. That's the best things it's happening, guys. So let's see the coming days if we're going to finish it and we're going to be going with that inflation. So as I told you, guys, let's hope that correlation between Bitcoin and Nasdaq to finish as soon possible, guys. So let's go back to our chart to show you more, guys. And here we are, guys, in our daily chart. That one every day we came to you by it. As you see it, guys, what it's showing here in that level, and that level also we have it very stronger level, and I tell it to you every time he came to it, it's showing a big rejection there, guys. And let me tell you what happened here exactly in that zone. It came that green candle, that one, it's showing us as if it's breaking, but that red one which is came today, it's still more down. But the good news here, what is it, guys? Look with me in our friend down, what it's telling us, guys. Here our friend is telling us here the rates they being powerful. As I tell you, there is no sellers now. Look at it here. They are not big like the greens. And that's good news, guys, because it happened from down here, a big pushing up. And let me show you my chart, what I got for the picture to be more clear to you, guys. Look at it, what I got me in my chart, guys. Same thing, nothing was changed here. As you see it, that yellow level here, that one, it's very stronger level. It came that green candle, that one. It show us as if it's break it, but that red one, it's showing us, no, it's not yet. It's still more falling, guys. And me, I tell it to you. I tell you it's going to go till that level here. Then after that, it's going to show a rejection. And that's what's happening, guys. So also we're still in a downtrend, guys. There is nothing was changed. Maybe it's going to come till here to touch the upper of that one. And you're going to see it sideways here. Till now, there is nothing confirmed, guys. And let's wait in the unemployment rate, which is going to come, I think, the few days, the coming few days. So make a close eye at that. And man, every day I'm updating you, my friends. So like that way, me, I told you every time. If you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos, my friend. It's very simple and easy. A red button down, click at it, turn it to gray. Next to it, a bell, click at it and make it to all. So like that, when every time us we put in a new video, you're going to be notified, my friend. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now let's see our indicator, what it's saying, guys, what picture to be more clear to you. That one, as you see it, guys, what may have been telling you. I tell you, yes, it gave us here a head and shoulder like that, as you see it. And even in the chart, it gave it to us. But what it did, look at it, it came till here. And my view, me personally, is going to come till it will touch in the trend line. By the way, the one, that white one, is a very long-term trend. If you are the first time of you here, for the people that being with us, they know that one. That one also being followed, guys, from 2021 till now. So at all is going to come to touch it here. Then after that, it's going to drop, guys. Till now, also, we haven't changed in that downtrend. And as you see here, guys, also we still here in the control of the bears. So there is nothing confirmed, guys, till now. I think everything is too clear, guys, here. Let's see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you, guys. That one, as you see it, I tell it to you, you got here a divergence like that and like that. And I told you got even another one here and here. And I told you when you should enter, guys, only if the price came and breaking for you that trend line. Look at it from here and here. That's for investors, guys. If you are an investor, if the Bitcoin came and break that level, enter long. Till now, it's not yet confirmed, guys. Till now, it's not yet confirmed. If it doesn't break that level, don't enter. Everything is too clear, guys. It's going now to the 4 hours to see for swing traders. What is it there, guys? So, it's going now to the 4 hours, guys, to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours. Here we are, guys, in the 4 hours. And here in the 4 hours, as you see it, guys. You remember me, I told you about that level here. you got here, and you remember about that level me I told you got down here, and here look at what it done here. It came to the 200 moving average, what it's showing to you guys there. Make a close eye with me there, what it's showing there. It came to it, but it couldn't break it, guys. And look at all those candles here. They're telling you what's happening, guys. Look at them. Every green candle, it's followed by a red candle, guys. What that indicating to you? That here, it's indicating you are in a sideways market, guys. Nothing hard, guys. Everything is very simple. You are in a very sideways market now. And another thing is what I told you here in the 4 hours you got. I told you got here a wedge, guys, like that, or a triangle, and as you see, guys, he came to it here, he touched the top of it, but he showed us that big rejection candle, and I told you me it need to come here and to break for you the 200 moving average and that wedge or the top of that trend. Then after that you can enter long, guys. The take profit of you it need to be here at that zone here at 22,500, guys, unless if it's breaking here, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. So now let's see our indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you guys. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, also we still here in that zone, and I tell it to you in the last video, I told you is it sideways. Look at it, look at those peaks here making here. Yes, here you are in the control of the bulls, but there is no volume, guys. There is no big whales buying now. That's what me I told you. If you are a small retail investor, not yet, my friend, they need to enter first the big balls, because those ones will got money, and also we are small investors. We don't want to be the fuel of the market, guys. So that's why is it not yet, guys. Take your time. That your money, no one will care about your money more than you, my friend. I think everything is too clear, guys. And here, look at it. We draw in here the trend line like that last time, like that. And what we said maybe it's going to come to it, then after that to go up, but till now there is nothing yet. So you need to make a close eye at that level, that last peak it reached to it here. If it's going to come and to break it, then you can enter long, guys. But till now there is nothing confirmed, guys. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying, guys, for pictures to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, when it touch here the overbought, also we take profit. If you remember, people will enter from here, and now as you see it, it's still here in the middle. And also what we said, when we are in the middle, there is no buying, no selling, unless if it came to market and it's breaking for you, that one here, that one is going to be in the daily, guys. But here in the 4 hours, we said we got that one here, that wedge like that, or that triangle. If it's breaking like that, you're going to see the Bitcoin going till here, guys, till 22k. I think everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in 30 minutes. By the way, you, I know you are a subscriber. Did you smash the like button, my friend? Go ahead and do it. Helping us, guys. Helping us by just liking the video and writing for us comment. And you could even sharing the video. You know, my friend, without you, we can do nothing here in that channel. If you stopping supporting us, even us, we will stop putting the videos, guys. So just helping us by clicking at the like button, guys. We want the like button to explode today. Helping us, guys. You done it. Thank you very, 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 very much, my friend. Let's go now to 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in 30 minutes, guys. Here we are, guys, in 30 minutes. And here in 30 minutes, if you remember in the last video what I told you give you here a head and shoulder like that. I told you if it came and break in here, enter long. All of you enter from here till that last high here. That's for scalpers and day traders. Now what is it here? Rock with me here. Very clear, guys. Here, what you see in here, the market he tried to give you here like a up channel, guys, or you could even do it like that. You came to that peak and that peak, guys, that one, then it's going to give you like a triangle as you see it, but it's not yet, guys. That was my view to it. And as we tell it to you before, we tell you, look here, what happened here. It's slowed down here. Now it's showing it's going up, guys. It's up. That one is going to go up. Everything is too clear, guys. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, what it's saying here, as you see it, guys, what it's giving you here, give you here like a divergence, guys, and it's going here to down. I think there is more going down. There is going to come here to the oversold area, and in tomorrow video afternoon we're going to come to you and we will find it here. We're going to give you a signal to buy, guys. So if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification, so when also we put in a new signal, you're going to find it. I'm talking here about day traders and scalper, guys. You join us, my friend, welcome to the family. So I think that's it for today's video, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye for now, guys.